student, today to start with our topic entrepreneur journey. Under that we start with financial feasibility study. Now finance is the main, plays a vital role in any business. Without finance you can't run a business. So financial feasibility study is must. It is an analysis of the viability of the idea. It focuses on helping answer to the essential questions. Should we proceed with the proposed project idea? All activities of the study are directed towards helping answer this question. Now, finance is a management of money and other valuables which can be easily converted into cash. Finance is concerned with the maintenance and creation of economic value of wealth, a science that describes the management, creation and study of money, banking, credit, investment, assets and liabilities. Now financial statement involves income statement, that is your profit loss account, because every business is there for profit. So every entrepreneur has to make a profit loss account to know where he is standing. Then balance sheet. Balance sheet is just like your report card. It's made at the end of a particular period, which shows our assets and liabilities. Then cash flow statement. Now cash flow statement shows how much cash is coming in, how much cash is going out. Change your equity statement. Then comprehensive statement. Now balance sheet is a statement of financial position of a company at a single specific time, often at the close of the business, on the last day of the month, quarter or year. Mostly it's at the end of the year. The balance sheet normally lists all assets on the left side or top and all liability on the right side or bottom. The total of all numbers on the left side or top must equal to the balance to the total of all numbers on the right side or bottom. Our balance sheet balances according to this equation: assets equal to liability and equity. Now all projects are considered viable only when they are expected to be profitable to meet short-term obligations, because you will invest in a business where profit is there. Be liquid and to remain liquid during adversity. If adversities are there, adversity means when you're not, like take an example of today's scenario, maximum business they are in adverse because demand has come down. Grow in their ability, finance their operation mostly from net worth sources rather than credit application. Be able to service their financial charges. So we can conclude that financial feasibility is the study of how much startup capital is needed, source of capital, return on investment, etc. Because before starting a business, we must consider these points, otherwise we will be in trouble. Thank you.